Do you know how terrifying tigers become after eating people? Have you ever seen a python swallow an adult whole? In recent years, as people have made great efforts to improve the environment, large carnivore populations are recovering. Carnivorous animals are animals that prey on humans. In nature, although there are many animals capable of killing humans, most of them do not actively attack humans. Carnivorous animals, under specific circumstances, treat humans as prey and hunt them. In their eyes, humans are food. Today, we will explore the 8 most terrifying man-eating beasts on Earth. 8th, tigers. Tigers have been the most deadly large cats since records began. From the 18th to the 20th century, at least 370,000 people worldwide died from tiger attacks. In the early 19th century, in India alone, over 1,000 people were killed by tigers on average each year. One Bengal tigress named Champawat killed 436 people, mostly women and children, in just a few years. However, many people now see this man-eating beast as a cute big cat, which is a dangerous misconception. Tigers, as top predators in nature, have strength and ferocity that most animals cannot match. An adult Siberian tiger can weigh up to 700 pounds, with the force of a half-ton in a single paw swipe, and a bite force close to half a ton. While tigers do not prefer to eat humans, certain circumstances, such as illness or old age, can lead to them targeting humans when they lose the ability to hunt regular prey. Once these sick tigers taste human flesh, the taste is imprinted in their genes, and they become more and more likely to attack humans. This is why tigers that have bitten humans in zoos must be euthanized. Always remember, tigers are natural carnivores, with strong territorial instincts, and hunting other animals is their instinct. Never enter their territory without caution. 7th, lions. Lions are the second largest existing big cats after tigers. They are the top predators in Africa, and one kind of the most terrifying carnivores. It may be hard to believe, but even today, hundreds of people worldwide are killed and eaten by lions every year. Over the years, incidents of lions eating humans have been almost continuous. One of the most terrifying incidents was the Tsavo man-eaters. In 1898, during the construction of the Kenya-Uganda Railway, the construction team was frequently attacked by 2 lions. These lions would enter the workers' tents at night, drag out the workers, and eat them. In less than a year, these 2 lions ate about 135 railway construction workers, causing great panic among the local people at the time. The Tsavo lions were lions living in East Africa, with smooth fur and no mane. They adapted to human flesh from a young age and actively hunted humans. This is because the area where the Tsavo lions lived was a route where Arab slave traders passed through. When passing through this area, some sick slaves would often faint on the road, and the Tsavo lions living here would eat the fallen slaves. Some young lions raised by parents in this area would eat humans from a young age, so when they grow up, they would consider humans as their prey. Besides the Tsavo lions, most lions do not actively hunt humans. The reason they start to eat humans is similar to tigers. Typically, it's due to sick or injured lions needing to fill their stomachs, making it possible for them to hunt humans. In the early 20th century, a male Tsavo lion in the Panna region of northern India caused at least 400 fatal attacks. Since then, for many years, in India, incidents of lions eating humans have been almost continuous, which is very frightening. 6th, the leopard. Leopards also prey on humans, and they may be even more fearsome than man-eating tigers. Between 1875 and 1912, in India alone, over 10,000 people died from leopard attacks. Like tigers, they are large carnivorous animals. Although leopards are not as large as lions and tigers, they are muscular, with strong limbs, and their strength and speed surpass most other felines. What makes them possibly more terrifying than tigers is their strong stealth abilities. Their spotted coat helps them blend in, and they are agile and have great leaping ability. Most importantly, compared to lions and tigers, leopards are more audacious. In some villages in India, wild leopards often break into houses at night, killing and dragging away sleeping children or even adults. These man-eating leopards are often healthy male individuals, not sick or injured. Compared to lions and tigers, leopards may have a preference for human flesh, and once they have tasted human flesh, they are likely to hunt humans again. In the early 20th century, a male leopard in the PNAR region of northern India was responsible for at least 400 fatal attacks. Over the years, incidents of leopards attacking humans in India have been almost continuous. Fifth, the wolf. The wolf is the largest existing member of the Canidae family on Earth. There are many species of wolves, with the largest being the grey wolf of North America. Adult grey wolves can reach a length of up to 2 meters and weigh close to 200 kilograms. They have strong bodies and sharp teeth, capable of hunting various large prey. Even animals as large as elk and American bison are within the grey wolf's hunting capabilities. An adult North American grey wolf can exert a bite force of over 300 kilograms, easily biting through and tearing our muscle tissue. Additionally, these creatures are pack animals. If a pack of wolves wants to kill an adult human, it is effortless. However, in general, wolves do not actively hunt humans. In fact, most wolves are actually afraid of humans. But there are some cases where wolves become extremely aggressive. For example, wolves infected with rabies often become very irritable and will attack any living thing around them. Another situation is wolves that have had contact with humans or have been fed by humans. Once these wild wolves have been fed by humans, they lose their fear of humans, making it easier for them to approach humans, increasing the likelihood of wolf attacks on humans. Wolves are very cunning animals. They prefer to target the old, weak, and sick, especially children. Moreover, in the wild, wolves have great patience in tracking their prey, looking for the best opportunity to launch a sudden attack. Fourth, the crocodile. Crocodiles are one of the oldest surviving animals on Earth, having lived on Earth for over 200 million years. To this day, their appearance and features have changed very little. There are as many as 18 species of crocodiles in the world, with the largest being the saltwater crocodile, also known as the man-eating crocodile. This crocodile can reach a length of up to 7 meters and weigh over 1 ton. It is the largest living reptile in the world. Saltwater crocodiles are ferocious and have a strong territorial instinct. Once someone or something enters its territory, regardless of whether it is hungry or not, it may launch a deadly attack. Humans are included in its regular diet, meaning that in the eyes of the saltwater crocodile, humans are equal to other wild animals and are prey. Their purpose in killing humans is simple: to fill their stomachs. They do not fear humans. Their walnut-sized brains cannot comprehend fear or surrender. Once they launch a surprise attack, survival is unlikely. These creatures have the strongest bite force of all animals on land. It is estimated that a 1-ton saltwater crocodile has a bite force of nearly 2 tons. A single bite can cut our bodies in half. They also have a deadly rolling technique. They bite their prey and roll in the water, easily tearing the prey into pieces. There is a legend: on February 19, 1945, during the Battle of Ramree Island, Japanese soldiers were trapped by British soldiers in a forest that was home to tens of thousands of saltwater crocodiles. In just one night, over 1,000 fully armed Japanese soldiers were eaten by the crocodiles, leaving only 20, which was terrifying. Besides the saltwater crocodile, the Nile crocodile living on the African continent is also fearsome. According to statistics, thousands of people are killed by crocodiles worldwide every year, with the vast majority being caused by Nile crocodiles and saltwater crocodiles. The most famous Nile crocodile is one named Gustave. Gustave is a male Nile crocodile over 6 meters long. From the 1990s to 2004s, this crocodile killed over 300 people. To this day, this terrifying man-eating crocodile has not been caught. Crocodiles can live up to 100 years, so it is very likely that Gustave is still lurking in the Nile River. Third, snakes. It has to be said that snakes may be one of the most frightening animals in the world. Besides their appearance that makes people's scalps tingle, they also carry deadly venom. Although there are many venomous snakes in the world that can kill humans, very few snakes are capable of eating humans, with only a few pythons being able to swallow adult humans. On March 25, 2017, in a remote village in Indonesia, a 25-year-old man went missing while harvesting crops. 2 days later, people found the man's body inside the 7-meter-long reticulated python. On June 14, 2018, a 54-year-old woman from Indonesia was also killed and eaten by a reticulated python. In addition, many children have suffered similar attacks. After research, it was found that snakes that eat humans are mostly large non-venomous pythons. Regardless of the species, as long as their size allows, they may prey on humans. The second one, the African crowned eagle, is a large raptor that lives on the African continent. It is the only existing species known to prey on human children. It has a large body size, with a maximum body length of nearly 1 meter and a wingspan of up to 1.8 meters. In the wild, it mainly relies on hunting various mammals for food, sometimes also preying on other birds and reptiles, but it rarely eats carrion like vultures. In other words, about 90% of this bird's food comes from killing other animals. It has sickle-shaped claws that are very powerful, allowing it to easily tear the flesh of its prey. When hunting, it can pierce its claws into the skull of its prey, delivering a fatal blow. Once the prey loses its ability to escape, the eagle will use its sharp beak and claws to gradually dismember the prey into pieces, and then eat it. In addition, this raptor especially likes to prey on primates, which may explain why African crowned eagles sometimes prey on human children. First, bears. Don't be fooled by their gentle and clumsy appearance, these giants are actually very dangerous man-eating beasts. In some areas, bears are even more terrifying than tigers. An adult brown bear can weigh over 500 kilograms, and when standing up, they can reach a height of 3 meters. The force of a bear's paw swipe can reach 1 ton, and their biting force can exceed half a ton. Once attacked by this giant, the chances of survival are very slim. Don't forget, bears are omnivores. When food is scarce, they will do anything to catch other animals, including humans. What's even more terrifying, is that when a bear catches its prey, it does not kill it immediately. Instead, it uses its huge paws to hold the prey down and starts by eating the prey's limbs, saving the organs for last. In other words, the prey caught by a bear will watch as the bear eats it alive, which is extremely terrifying. Also, regarding the question of whether playing dead works when encountering a bear. The answer is no, because bears are scavengers. Even if you play dead or actually die, if a bear finds you, it is very likely to eat your body. If you want to avoid being eaten by these large wild animals, it's best not to enter their territory rashly. Alright, that's it for this episode. If you think this program is good, please push like and subscribe it.